What's up guys, so today we're going to be swapping out this factory start stop button with the red start stop button to match the custom cluster we did a few videos ago. So it seems pretty easy to take off the button. All you have to do is unclip this ring or trim piece and you'll feel kind of like the clips giving, which should be good sign. The next step would be to take the button off right here, and it is also clipped in. Okay, so I'm back with the hook tool, and now I'm gonna be hooking right underneath 4 clips. Okay, here's one. That's out. Here's 2. There we go. It literally pops right off. Alright, let's look at a comparison. So this is the red one, which I bought from Mod Bargains, and this is the OEM black one. Alright. So I guess just push this one back on until it clips back in. Alright, the engine. Fuel pumps are priming. Then all that's left is putting the ring back on right over it. And that was about maybe a 2-minute install for me, dealing with the camera and everything. Yeah, it's a pretty easy install. It looks pretty nice with the red cluster and the red button right there.